Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Toasty DIY, and today I'm doing a little review and really focusing on the exhaust of this 1997 BMW Z3, and this is just a 4-cylinder, so it's you know, it's a 4-banger, so you're not going to get like the super nice inline 6 exhaust note or anything, but it does still sound pretty good in my opinion. And it's in immaculate shape. It actually has just under 150,000 miles on it, but it was garage kept. I'm the 3rd owner now, so it does have a brand new soft top on it with you know, new vinyl and everything, and really nice shape. Seals out water pretty well. I do keep it in the garage, don't have to worry about that too much, but it was actually a little bit even shinier and cleaner than this a few days ago, but I drove it through the rain, so it's gotten a little dirty. But yeah, I mean, everything is there and pretty much original on it. I do have like even the little cover that goes over this and everything. I guess it'd be called like, I guess like a tonneau cover or something like that. Really cool little quirky features on it. Like, you know, you got these little guys right here. I got a Blaze gift card in there. And then you got like this little one right here, keep the garage door opener in. No cup holders or anything from the factory. So I got this little like Target style one. It does have like little holders on the side of the door, cards and everything. This is kind of like the really cool, like, I don't know if I call it two-tone, maybe it is two-tone, I'm not really sure, because it is like a black and almost like a light beige with like this like cloth slash leather. It's really interesting but pretty comfy. Does have tiny little sun visors and everything, one with the mirror, and actually no, both have mirrors. It's kind of interesting. But yeah, really good shape. I actually just serviced it, so oil change, filter, spark plugs. I did brand new like NGKs, and then I also went ahead and like checked all the brakes while I was in there, and all the brakes are actually in really good shape. It kind of squeaks a little bit, so I think the previous person just didn't put very good amount of grease on them. Because it definitely has like a nice squeak when it stops, but it stops well, so that's really what matters. I probably will end up kind of going through and messing with them soon anyways. A really good trunk space and everything, which I do appreciate for a smaller vehicle like this. Now the exhaust is kind of like a little bit parted together, so I bought a set of staggered tips on Amazon, which I'll link for you guys, and then I bought a Magnaflow. I believe that this is a 4x9, but I need to make sure. I'll have the exact links down there. Had to do a lot of welding because these tips, you have a 6.5-inch clearance total in this cutout, and so I needed to get the tips to about 6 1/4 so that I had plenty of room for them to not hit, because as you can see, it is very close on both sides. So ultimately, to get it to not hit, I had to basically cut the tips down the middle and then TIG weld them back together, and that's why there's like 50 different welds in this, because I kind of screwed up one of the times and ended up having to take it back off, cut it, and re-weld it again. So yeah, there's quite a few welds. Nice fat tires on it, but other than that, the stock's all exhaust. It's all stainless steel from the factory, so it has the Magnaflow muffler, and then these tips. I didn't even have to add any tubing or anything. The Magnaflow that I bought came at just the right size and everything, so nothing's bolt on. It's all welded and everything. But yeah, looks pretty good. I can't complain too much. And then, like I said, factory aluminum rims that are super nice looking. Actually, I really do like these, and the tires are just huge on this thing, for them being like factory style tires, and they're nice good rich tires. 5-speed manual. It's not super fast, definitely a little bit quicker than I remember my Miata being. I had a 1.8 liter, I think it was a 99 Miata, and like I said, this is a 97, and this is definitely a lot more luxury, I guess I'd call it. You know, you have electric windows, you even have heated seats, AC that works. I installed this new radio like literally the day I got it. It was just a cheap like $30 Bluetooth Jensen off Amazon, and I did buy the wiring harness adapter, so I was able just to do a little bit of soldering and splicing. I also bought the antenna adapter, so I'm still able to use the antenna for radio and everything. But yeah, super awesome car. And if you're curious, you know, what I paid for it, I'll give you a little hint. It was under 6,500 bucks, not by a lot, but it was under 6,500. So I think I got a pretty good deal on it, because it's just a really fun little car to drive, and it's good on gas. That's another really nice part about it, is it just takes regular 87, and I'm probably getting, I would guess, somewhere in the realm of 20 to 30 miles per gallon with the way I drive it. That was a nice voice crack. I'll just leave that in there, you know, it's for the fans, right? But yeah, it's super clean though. I really do like it a lot, and I went ahead and kind of cleaned up the headlights a little bit too. They were even more foggy than they are now, believe it or not. But as far as you know, future mods, I don't really know. I mean, I'm kind of liking it the way it is now. The exhaust is, I don't really want it any louder. I'm actually That's my really big complaint, is it is a straight through exhaust. It's definitely, idle sounds amazing. Once it comes down in idle, really nice low rumble. It has a little bit of drone, you know, in the 2 to 3,500 RPM. So that's definitely a little bit annoying at times, that I'm kind of getting used to it. And the other thing I hate is, I think it's because it's all straight through, and maybe I should have gotten resonator tips, I don't know, but it has a little bit of like a, it's almost like tin canny, but it's not the tin can sound that you're thinking of like Ricers have. It just has like this, especially at low RPMs, you can almost hear the exhaust notes hitting something, it sounds like. I don't know if maybe it's hitting the split in this dual exhaust tip. I'm really not sure. I don't really feel like messing with it anymore, because I already had to take it off twice anyways, so I'm just gonna leave it as is for now, unless it really starts bothering me. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a little drive and let you guys hear the exhaust, and then we'll just let you guys, you know, go on a drive with it and just hear how it sounds. Alright guys, so we're just going on a little drive now. We're just driving this parking lot here, and I'll get us on some main roads so we can get a little bit of speed. But yeah, I mean, driving through, like, you know, neighborhoods, parking lots, I do like this exhaust because, you know, it sounds really good inside the car, but it's not super loud at all outside of the car unless you really get into the high RPMs. So that part's nice. You don't have to worry about getting the cops called on you or anything, because that's the last thing that you want. But yeah, let's go ahead and get some nice back road driving. Maybe we can hit a little tunnel too. I'll go a little slow here. I don't want to run anyone over. All right. No clue where this even goes. We're learning new territory today. We have just enough room to get it open here. Not bad, not bad. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're driving. Let me know what kind of mods you're doing to it and everything. I'd love to hear it. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out.